Today's video is on the top 3 best welding machines. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Hpoouo Portable Welding Machine. Imagine having a welding machine that's powerful enough to handle your home repairs, yet small enough to carry around without breaking a sweat. That's exactly what the Hpoouo Portable Welding Machine offers. It's not just another welder, it's a compact, upgraded, and highly reliable tool that makes welding easier for beginners, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. Let's start with the power. This upgraded 200 ampere stick welder runs on 110 volts and allows you to adjust the current anywhere between 20 to 200 amperes. That means you can work with a variety of metal materials ranging from 0.06 to 0.2 inches thick, including cast iron and mild steel. Even better, it comes with 20 welding rods, so you can get started right out of the box. Now here's the part that makes it stand out. Its size. Unlike traditional heavy welding machines, this one is a super mini portable welder. With dimensions of just 7.8 by 3.9 by 5.3 inches and a weight of only 3.7 pounds, you can carry it anywhere with ease. But don't let the size fool you. The Hpoouo welding machine is packed with advanced digital IGBT inverter control technology. This high-tech feature adjusts the output current in microseconds, giving you better reliability and smoother performance. It delivers a stable arc, beautiful weld beads, and deeper penetration, making it perfect whether you're working with thin plates or sturdier structures. Beginners will love how forgiving it is, and experienced welders will appreciate its consistency. Of course, safety and ease of use are just as important as power. That's why this welder comes with hot start, anti-stick, and arc force functions. These make it easier to strike an arc quickly, reduce rod sticking, and create smoother welds overall. Plus, built-in protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and overload keeps the machine safe while extending its lifespan. A high-power fan also helps with heat dissipation, so you can work with confidence. And to top it all off, the package includes upgraded accessories. Along with the 20 rods, you'll get 2 high-quality chip hammers and a pair of professional welding gloves. It's ready to use straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry about buying extras. Smash that subscribe button like sparks flying from a fresh weld. Number 2. Best overall. Bilt Hard Welding Machine. Looking for a welding machine that can do it all without the hassle of switching between different tools? The Bilt Hard 135 ampere multi-process welder might be exactly what you need. This powerhouse runs on a standard 110 volt outlet and gives you 3 welding modes in one compact unit. Whether you're tackling flux core MIG, lift TIG, just keep in mind the TIG torch isn't included, or stick welding, this machine adapts to your project with ease. Plus, with 2T, 4T, and spot trigger modes, you can switch between quick fixes, long continuous seams, or precise spot welds. No matter the task, it delivers reliable, high-quality results across all kinds of metalwork and repairs. Another feature that makes this welder stand out is its LED digital display. Instead of guessing or fiddling around, you can actually see real-time readings of your voltage, current, and wire speed. The controls are designed with intuitive knobs and buttons, so you can dial things in without confusion. It also comes with specialized settings. MIG functions like burn back and inductance, as well as MMA features like hot start, arc force, and VRD. These extra touches let you fine-tune your welds depending on the material and project. And because it's built with an IGBT inverter design, you get way more efficiency than older models, meaning it performs smoothly whether you're working in your garage, up on a roof, out on a farm, or even off-grid. If you're a beginner or a DIY enthusiast, the Synergic control system is going to make your life a lot easier. This smart feature automatically adjusts the voltage and wire feed speed based on your chosen amperage. Instead of spending hours tweaking settings and second-guessing your work, the machine does the heavy lifting for you. Of course, no tool is complete without safety built in, and Bilt Hard doesn't cut corners here. The welder has an automatic shutdown system that kicks in if something goes wrong. For instance, if it overheats or if there's an overcurrent, it'll display an error code right on the LED screen. E1 for overcurrent and E2 for overheating. Meanwhile, the internal fan keeps running for 1 to 2 minutes to cool things down before you safely restart. That means extra peace of mind while you work. And here's the best part. It comes ready to weld straight out of the box. Along with the machine, you'll get a solar-powered helmet, a 6.6-foot MIG gun with a pre-installed 0.03-inch tip, a 10-foot ground clamp, 2 pounds of flux core wire, a spare 0.035-inch tip, gloves plus a brush and hammer. With all these included accessories, you can literally start welding the moment you unpack it. By the way, which of these welding machines would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick. Yeswelder Welding Machine. Imagine having one machine that can handle almost every welding job you throw at it. That's exactly what the Yeswelder Welding Machine brings to the table. This isn't just your average welder, it's a true 5-in-1 multifunctional powerhouse. You can switch between gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun, aluminum MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. Of course, you'll need an additional lift TIG torch and a spool gun for aluminum, but once you got those, you're fully equipped for a wide range of welding tasks. Whether you're repairing, building, or experimenting, this welder has the flexibility to adapt to your needs. When it comes to power and performance, this machine doesn't hold back. With a strong 200 ampere output and dual voltage support for both 110 volts and 220 volts, it delivers reliable quality with steady performance. It's designed to handle just about anything, from thin sheets to thicker materials like steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. That makes it perfect for automotive repairs, construction projects, fabrication work, or even your DIY creations at home. Now, let's talk about one of its most user-friendly features: synergic and manual MIG modes. For beginners, the synergic function is a lifesaver. When you adjust the wire feeding speed, the machine automatically matches the voltage to the recommended value. That means less guesswork and more time actually welding. You can even fine-tune the voltage within a range of -3 volts to +3 volts for extra control. On the flip side, if you're a seasoned welder who prefers doing things your own way, you can manually adjust both wire speed and voltage. This flexibility makes the machine just as comfortable for newbies as it is for professionals. Another standout detail is the digital display. No more struggling to figure out what settings you're using. The advanced screen makes the interface clear and simple, showing you real-time current during welding. This not only helps you stay in control, but also improves accuracy, so you can get clean, strong welds every single time. And let's not forget about safety, because that's always a priority. The Yeswelder Welding Machine comes packed with built-in safeguards to protect both you and the machine. It automatically compensates for voltage fluctuations, and it has strong defenses against overcurrent, overload, and overheating. These protections mean you can focus on your work without worrying about damaging the machine or putting yourself at risk. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.